Hi, it's me, Davey, and welcome to my channel, Crap Fire Unboxing. And I am back with a new box. I am so excited for this box. I hope y'all have enjoyed my videos as much as I've enjoyed making them. It gives me something to do. Keeps my mind off of stuff. Anyway, stay tuned to the end of the video for an announcement. So, I'm excited for this box. I went on to Cratejoy, and it's where they have all kinds of subscriptions you can do, from like $5 to $100. I mean, anything under the sun you could think of, this site has a subscription for it. It's crazy. Go in there and check it out. I'll put the link below. Just hit cratejoy.com, and you can do from prices from low to high, high to low. They're really cool. So I found this because it's something besides makeup. And it is from Perfume Surprise. It's $20 a month. And back in the day, a few years back, I used to do a Scentbird. That's what it was. And I'm sure everybody's familiar with that. Well, you got one perfume. You did get like a little case to put it in. But you got the one sample. It did not last you a month. It was one perfume once a month for $20. This, I believe you get 5 perfumes for $20. Plus a little surprise gift in the mix. So I got my handy dandy razor. Slice this puppy open. Let's get started. I'm so excited. I love perfume, and I will probably, because I do have a lot of perfume, so I will probably put a bunch of these perfumes also in my giveaway boxes. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You get a welcome perfume. So you do, when you first order the box, you get your 5 regular perfumes, but they send you an extra. And these are pretty good sizes. So it says, thank you for trying out Perfume Surprise. Welcome to family. Hope you enjoy your first box. Saphira. So let's open this little perfume up and see what scent it is. So they have the scent, and they have the creator on the label right here. So that's what it looks like up close. So it says Perry Ellis Sensual. I've never heard of this, but see, that's a pretty good size perfume. I want to say it's 2 milliliters. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. I like that. And I like to put little samples like this in my purse, you know. Perfect for your pocketbook. So I'm excited about that. Alright, so let's get the box out. So this is what your box looks like. Very pretty teal color. Oh, I can still smell that. I didn't even. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so you open it up, and this is what it looks like with your 5 perfumes and your surprise. So that's pretty cool that you also get a surprise. So I'm not going to smell all these because I can still smell that first one. But we've got Carolina Herrera 212 Sexy. Tous. Tous. Gems Party. Versace. The name's kind of ripped off of that, but it is a Versace Diamond. Salvatore Ferragamo Bloom New. I don't know. I want to smell these, but then I'm thinking I'm going to like overwhelm myself. Guess, Girl Bella. Oh no. This one's not. This one is like barely. Does smell good though. So I'll probably use Guess Girl Bella first because the squirter's messed up. So it's kind of like just a little stream of perfume is coming out. What a pity. Salvatore Bloom New. That smells good. And these are name brand. These are not knockoffs. This is actually the actual perfume. Versace smells really good too. Let's see. Toast. I'm a mess. That was great. All right. Oh, now see, I would buy this. Gems Party. Tous. How would you pronounce that, y'all? That smells good. Okay, one more. Now, my next box I probably won't sample because I'll probably have a lot of this left, but I would like to I will probably put these in future giveaways. So this is the Carolina Herrera 212 Sexy. That smells good too. These really smell good. I'm going to leave them in the box. All right, now for the surprise. Who's excited for this? Oh, that's cute. Oh, those are cute. My granddaughter's going to love them. So we got 4 bracelets, y'all. So we got the beaded bracelet. We got this one. And it comes with a little charm on it. Then we got this one. These stretchy bracelets have become very popular, I've noticed. So let's see. I'll just try them on. So you got these 3, and then you got one more that looks like this with the little tassel. So that's our surprise. And that is a really neat, oh look, that's really pretty. It has like a little gem. Okay, that's pretty. My granddaughter will love these. So for $20 a month, you get your first box, you get 6 perfumes, and you get a surprise. Your second box, after that, you'll get the 5 perfume samples plus a surprise. You always get a surprise, but try it out for $20 for 6 perfume samples plus a really cute surprise, and you can re-gift it if it's not your taste. Try them out, you guys. I will put the link in the comment bar below so you guys can go check it out. And tell me what y'all thought of this video. Leave your comment. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and share my video. Get me out there. Every little bit counts. Once I hit 100 subscribers, everybody that comments, I will do a random comment picker, and I will send you guys a free goodie box. And it could include perfume, it could include snacks, and all kinds of goodies. Not just makeup. It might even include a friend's item. You don't know. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Stay blessed and be kind to one another. Bye.